but I believe in you, you know?
I believe in you too, dog. Ever since I got with my connect, I was blessed, dog.
And ENANDA treats me like I'm an outsider in my own hood. That's why I go out and I went and hustled it on my own. If you walk up to Josie, I sleep in Rashid's cave bed. I sleep,
Sure.
The only reason why these other main artists would want to respect me is because they met me in the same place, sit at the same food with the same people that they respect.
And now, dog, ever since I got on the same stage, I'm not into what someone to share a room. You're talking about sharing a stage. We're on the same level because there's a reason why. The reason why I'm hustling now, we the same thing now.
And what I like about you, there's only one thing that I don't like about you, is because you don't have a team that's able to make money out of you.
Now I hate that shit.
But I'm not a marketer, I'm an artist myself. But I can tell you right now, tell me one main artist who can stand on stage and you pass on a mic and they sing the lyrics. Huh? Tell me, a young kid who will close their eyes, memorize your fucking lines and say it word for word, and we tell people in our line, the next kid is still got to do the same shit. You know what's that? That is called audacity, that's called authenticity. That is something that they can never, ever, ever replace for you. That is something that they want from you. I'm on camera. I'm on camera. Hey, I'm on camera. What's that? People have to meet. Come on. Laga tengi kon. Gita was a lot tengi kon. Na kunum tatu mutangani na ye. Alright, my girlfriend, and she believes in me like somebody that I always told. And when it comes down to music, I started rapping in 2014.
What?
Yes. I used to listen to everyone. I used to listen to everyone. I used to listen to you mad. That's why when I went to one mic, I came on top 4.
You killed that.
I was fucking everyone. And I was going on a vengeance because I believe in you. And I saw what happened there. And I knew exactly what was happening there. So I had to go represent everybody there.
Thank you, my kid.
There is nobody that I know that made rapper gives me goosebumps. I don't listen to anything. The first time I heard that song, I was in Kaka. I was like, what the fuck? And ironic, and it was mutual. It was like, nigga, oh.
You killed, dog.
I was saying the same thing. That's what you need to do. You need to build a tribe. There's ways of making money with it. These people are not telling you how to make money. I've got the intel. I'm building up a tribe. I want my own tribe. I'm a person who knows I'm humble.
Sure.
But my decision is there's certain things that I will not settle for.
Uhambule wakho ukwazi ukuvezela kahle ukuthi abantu bakuxhaphaza bakuthatha kancane because ubanika intambende.
When it comes to your bars, bro, I've never heard somebody. You remind me of those legends. Certain people try so hard their punchline. So to use the punchline after 3 or 4 years. Your punchline is instant, bro. And so about babies and so about nigga, that's also easy. You know? You understand the shit? You understand?
Crazy.
Baby, that looks like how far come down for the water. She believes in it. That's something that went away with that battle. Yeah, I couldn't have piano.
Go up in there.
A pet center.
Sure.
I even told my friend, my daughter, I was like, my G, you're my homie. I cannot trust you. Well, everybody has a game plan.
Yeah.
You understand?
That's true. Nami ngihlezi nginovalo mangi ya kwi-battle. Ngithola umuntu ongakaza battle before. Angifuni undermine anyone.
But there is one battle I watched. It was in Joburg.
Lazy.
That lighty or guessing this.
It was a tough one.
Yo, what was tough? Take my shoe and go and keep it as a souvenir. That was not tough. Okay. There's a difference.
Away game is different.
There's no away game. There's no more such thing as an away game. You are Real Madrid. Home and away game is still get fun. You understand that?
You sound more of a belly MC, nigga.
I do music, I battle, I do everything. Just in case I'm waiting for the one rapper who will make that one mistake and come at me.
Mina masengine budget dog ngisazobaxhasa abantu. And omunye wabantu esengibabonile already ukuthi ngamtholela i-opponent.
Mina ukuthatha mina akekho umuntu engimfika ngoba ngisho nalo baba lo. Ngoba ngisho nalo baba lo. Yabo lo baba lo. It was in a competition ungayivezi imoto yakhe. I killed everybody. What he know this guy is like a rap. Obefuna ukuwinisa umngani wakhe. To come back umuntu wejudge wangitshela ukuthi you know what Nick? Ban no 10. And today you always give me that look to find out that his brother is my biggest fan and often with my name. That's what life is all about. I think
I'm glad ukuthi wayithola because motivates more.
No, what motivated me? You know what motivated me? Was sharing a stage. I only knew your fucking to me that only knew your name. I've never met you in person. Remember what I'm busy doing? The first time I went to a hip hop show, I had to get around Danje crowd, they pull out my USB. And that thing always kept to me. If I have it my way, ENANDA, my friend, ENANDA, I love you all. But there's certain things I will not do for ENANDA.
What the more platform you represent?
I will do it for my fans. I won't do it for people who claim that they are part of ENANDA. You understand that?
Kodwa ngeke uyibhekisele phansi na igama elithi ENANDA just because of few people.
ENANDA is my heart. That's what I'm trying to say. I love and live for ENANDA. But the coaches and the stakeholders self-claim, self-proclaim, there's nobody. There's nobody that will ever get a feature from me and ENANDA. Only besides one person. Mapeula gave me a feature and nobody wanted to give me. Smooth Detox walked with me when nobody wanted to walk with me. Konabade used to pull out my USBs and perform. Today, I'm earning out of my music. You're still not earning out of your music. So. You understand that?
Mina host the show talking. Angeke ngilenze lo pose. Mina namhlanje bengiyibona bengizoyibona performance yakho. Because you are one of the few people engazi ukuthi bazoblessa istage.
I want to do one thing. I'm planning a show in Joburg. I did all my shows in Joburg. And I want to do a tour leg. I'm dropping my first EP. Go July, my dad's birthday.
I'm getting a copy.
You definitely getting listening session. I want you on a song. I want you on a song.
I'm very honored.
I want you on a song. I'm never going to be a groupie. I'm a fan.
I'm a fan.
If I love your music, I love your music.
I love your shit, dog. I'm dick right, dog. Ngaba ngikushuthi kanje mase wangikwazi ukwazi. Ngikwazi umsebenzi ontswembu.
Oh, by the way, babes, this is Young Cannibal.
Oh, we are the
same guy, lo. Angangitshela ukuthi musukhalisa ukuthi emva kwalokho soshibilika ngomzimba wesikole. Ngakutshela ukuthi awasihamba. Na yehesi, yana hesi ke.
Simveza ubheka.
But Woods is the one person that makes me nervous because you know I'm confident as fuck.
I'm very humbled. I'm very humbled.
That's the did you see? So that's the woman to get a stage. We are that's what I'm trying to say with you, and that's what I like about stages. The crowd think of his size. Sure. I always told her what is a boy and with his I want to see. She's not a hip hop fan. She's into house. But today she's in love with hip hop because I introduced her to hip hop. And we all look about the life badly, and I used to tell her, you know what? To tell you the funny fact, we were not even dating the time I was killing the show. So you know to come back. When guys, like to be honest, it's very. I always tell people this: if you're a rapper, then I'm not a there's something wrong now.
And I want baby ngifisa usayibuke kahle le video uzominspire ukubona umuntu o like okhuleka nje on camera ekhuluma ngobhebi wakhe otshengisa ubhebi wakhe uyamsupporta kanjani and nokuza ivoice yabhebi wakhe kwi background comment etshengisa yazi hip hop. This is very inspiring.
But it's another thing my baby don't understand. I always told her that the game is hard. For example, if I get to a beef, you do. you'll automatically want to do something to her.
True.
To get to me.
Yeah.
So I always told her that you needed to be strong.
Yeah, weakest point.
My weakest point,
yeah.
yes, that's my. I always tell her now, you are my weakest point. So if anybody want to get to me, they can diss me at anyhow. I don't give a shit. Like wabaseleka ngibona ukuthi ubona indlela abangitreata ngayo at certain areas. It's like, look level yakho, babe. I know, but why they still treating me like this? I mean, I'm used to it. It's the game.
And uyazi sikhushulwe ikona ukuthi bafike bakuxhaphaze ufuna ukunyuka kanjalo it's a challenge.
Like I won't lie, my first event umuntu amangipha yena imali book place. I do not have a place. My first sandwich in the house, I will tell you this. If you cousin, that's what I'm saying. If you have, when it comes to my finances, baby love knows everything about it. I'm not afraid. I got come to get a past life, but I mean I'm only gonna charge you on the good things that you've done for me. Now my life is stable. I've got features. I go to shows. I no more do a lot of drugs. I'm always indoors. Yes,
this is very inspiring.
You never gonna see me anyway. Even all the other artists when they see me, there's a reason why I don't want to associate myself.
Discipline dog. Discipline
It is
discipline ukuba nomuntu oseduze wakho fethu.
We're in a process of like, I want a child. I want a child now. I'm turning 30. But I always told myself, there's still a struggling artist. It's not what I wanted. But then it came to a point to go to, she's so supportive. There's no battery now, so it's a penny battery. So with that being said, she taught me one thing. When I'm violent. Very violent and but I'm very calm. You my homie. If somebody had to diss you and you're my homie, you got to reply and give him reply after you know that's how it is. That's how it is. That's why I hardly roll with people because I like to keep my circle tight. Like every time I met you, it's the same shit. We mind they were looking at me thinking like how these two people know each other. You know what I'm saying? For me, it's not a competition. If you can do it better and you can do it better than me, you're still an example to my light.
Hlezi ngisho lonto dog. Hlezi ngiyipreacha lonto dog ukuthi yazi umuntu ungamsiza ukuthi aphumelele ungazivezi uyiveza. Just ukuthola that answer yokuthi it's possible. Ukuthi ngifake isandla into yafika la ifuna ukufika. Sengiyazi nami ukuthi into zami izophumelela. That answer nje ngiqedile.
I'll tell you one thing. You can be the biggest artist by this year if you know how to execute things. I mean, I'm not signed, I'm not doing anything, but I'm able to make close to 30, 40 in 2 months.
That's dope.
And through my woman. The woman does my hand you man. I'm not in
the plan uhleze na.
Ilete ngifuna ukisho. Ngeke umuntu afika athanda into bese ngaba nayo iplan. Mina ngitshela ukuthi
sama out sinokuba nento engasi ngizobe scam. Ngasi ngizoba scam. Every idea efaka imali ubona ukuthi uzoba scam kubani.
My stylist. Yabona ngilukile. Nice.
Sure,
like, hey, Baba, you need to look the part now. You understand? But the best of book along. But no man comment that I bet you going to go back and get
confidence yakho lapho usayibooster lapho even more.
So even when
because eqaleni buqokela ukuthi uzonconywa yini manje usuphuma endlini usonconywe because uyazi ukuthi iapprove umuntu ovela ufuna ukuncoma.
Now kule point lesengiyazi ukuthi umuntu esimame ongijabulelayo on the show. I don't have to be like any other artist ngathi ngilambile. Ngine ngasayibamba professionalism yami. Akazi ukuthi umuntu esimame uyathanda. Now I need to try and give a dick. You know,
that's maturity, dog. That's maturity.
No was with him goes. And I was with BeastDaMaharaj. Yeah, and I'm telling you, I want to not even putting a camera. How many times do I sleep?
Are you associated with spiritual shit? Yeah, dog.
Yeah, me, I go to the family, go to us. There's a thing sense. And it increases the issue. So it's double compact. I try to make
I sometimes ezinye izinto udinga ukuthi uzisho but ilogic yakho like i-awareness yakho iyatshengisa ukuthi ezinye izinto understand kanjani. like awudingi ukuthi uzube ube loyal kuyena, you know ukuthi wena isipilisi sakho usidlulisa kangakanani uma uganga yabo.
Wayena uyazi ukuthi okay, ifoni yami hlezi sixabanele ukuthi ine password. But the password yami is for certain things as ngamchazela. Mina ngiyaqoqa nawe young cannibal. Ukushinto compromising. Engadingi ukuthi isiwo umuntu but uyisho ngoba wazi ukuthi nginesifoni. Once misiyaziwa yena, it's a third person.
Sure.
But uyazi wayena, I don't give a damn. Iyodwa into hlezi ngithethisela yona. Ithought, short-tempered, very impatient. But now I always tell it's the game that made me like that. Yeah, and we understand why I snap. Now people understand why you snap.
Njengilana nje siqaybene ngenxa into ekanjalo yabo. So I understand.
Look at this. I'm talking this on camera. We man just went away, man, no baby, we are having a fucking fight. Like it's hard.
Methwa ngicine ngifike na ngabe into emelo kwecishe ifana.
Buka mina kuyimanje. Siqabene but she's so nice ukuthi yakwazi ukudifferentiate. Now this is professional.
Yeah, dog. I respect dog. I respect
nabantu ama-colleagues omuntu wami.
Sure.
Enye into sodila naye endlini. Right now I need to show up and pitch up. And ngangangiyithole kulona umuntu esimama. She proved that. Ingakho at the end of this year if I have it right ngiyocela man. Ngiyocela fuck this rapper shit. Fuck it. Now I understand that whatever lyrics I write is just for lyrics. It's not that I do it. It doesn't say if I'm fucking this, I'm doing that. It doesn't mean that I do it. And I'm happy.
It's gonna happen, dog. Yabona lelo khoza legi yohamba ngalo. Igiyeli right kakhulu uzobona even swishayile double dates ukuthi kunisize ngani uthatha isikhathi senu ukuthi
yazi at the tenant one I don't like this fucking thing of artistry without me umtshela I cannot understand the fact ukuthi mina nami ngifuna ingoma kwena you gotta tell me something and instead of spoiling her I'm coming to you and it does not make sense to her. She's like why? But now she's got to understand the process. So the day gave all those rights belong to her.
Investment.
So right now now I'm teaching her the investment side, the business side. When she supports me ukuthi ngisho noma ngiya kwindawo kwafanele ubhuti wakho akwenza umuntu ongasebenzi isimali nomoli kwaze kufanele ubhuti kuthiwa siyacela.
Ibusiso lezo man.
You understand what I'm saying? And I will never get that. Noma kuthiwa singaxabana kanjani. I will never ever like drop that shit.
Manika ngiyabonga kakhulu ngale content dog.